Harley-Davidson announces Royal Enfield rival. Harley-Davidson has made one of their biggest announcements of the year. The company has confirmed a small displacement motorcycle in the 250cc to 500cc space. This upcoming motorcycle is likely to share the space with the Royal Enfield Classic 350, the highest selling motorcycle for the Chennai based manufacturer. The legendary American manufacturer confirmed that this upcoming small displacement motorcycle will be developed and produced through a partner manufacturer in Asia. The company expects that this upcoming bike will help the company grow considerably in terms of revenue and market share in India, which is one of the fastest growing markets in the world. We believe Harley Davidson would bring in a single cylinder engine layout for this bike. This will help the company price the bike completely. In fact, the company could price this bike marginally higher than the Royal Enfield Classic 350, if not on par. But in terms of design, it will offer the traditional American design that is both appealing and stylish.